Like the fictional counterpart of beings of this sort, it continues to lurk and cause those who gaze upon it to be concerned or perhaps even worried. This is the effect of a huge vessel of China, aptly called Monster Ship, that has been spotted anew in Escoda Shoal. Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
The largest China Coast Guard vessel, 5901, known as the Monster, remains in Sabina or Escoda Shoal. According to the latest monitoring via AIS, the Monster is still in the vicinity of Escoda Shoal, positioned closely to the Philippine Coast Guard ship BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Since Wednesday, the China Coast Guard vessel has been at Escoda Shoal since re-entering the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. The Monster was first sighted in May near Bao de Masinloc or Panatag Shoal. Last week, it sailed the entire West Philippine Sea, reaching the EEZs of Malaysia and Brunei. Previously, the CCG 5901 used to just pass by, but now it can be seen staying for as long as it wishes.
I expect that probably the Monster will remain there for some time, just to sort of establish China's presence and keep an eye on Teresa Magbanwa. Mostly, I have tracked it over the past couple of years in Malaysia's exclusive economic zone and Vietnam's exclusive economic zone. So, having it sort of take up this position in the Philippines exclusive economic zone is a little bit new. So, and I would expect, to probably, yes, that you'll see more of it in the future.
PCG crew of BRP Teresa Magbanwa issued a radio challenge on the Monster ship of China Coast Guard.
China Coast Guard vessel 5901 within the vicinity waters of Sabina Shoal. This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Teresa Magbanwa, MRRV 9701. You are sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. What is your intention? Over.
Its re-entry into the Philippine EEZ occurred despite the recent bilateral consultation mechanism meeting between the Philippines and China, in which both sides agreed to ease tensions in the West Philippine Sea. According to a maritime security expert, it's more important to keep tabs on China's actions than its words.
You always have to watch what they do more than what they say. So, in this case, China is, having these meetings and talking about de-escalation, but China always puts the responsibility for de-escalation on the other party. So what China will expect is that the Philippines will de-escalate. And of course, what the Philippines and anyone who negotiates with the government of China is that, you have to make sure that you don't, de-escalate while China simply repositions to its advantage.
Meanwhile, a mass was held today at Antipolo Cathedral, led by the PCG Ecumenical Chaplain Service to pray for a peaceful resolution in the West Philippine Sea.
Lahat ng resources, lahat ng assets ng ating gobyerno, ng ating vessels, ng ating barko, ang ating human resources ay ating itinatalaga para sa pagnanais na mapanatili ang kapayapaan at ang hiling natin ay ang respeto sa ating sariling teritoryo na nasasakupan ng sarili nating karagatan na sa ating alam ay biyaya ng mapagmahal ng Diyos.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.